Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Woo! Hello. So for today's video, if you couldn't already tell, I am doing a bake with me, and it's not just any bake with me. Let me tell you, it is a gingerbread house. Yes. So basically, I'm going to bake a gingerbread house and decorate it with you guys, and I'm just feeding you some Christmas content, okay? I'm just feeding you some Christmas content. First things first, I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees. Now, I'm basically just going to follow the instructions on the side of the box. So all we need is this, butter, and golden syrup, and water for icing. That's for icing. So, in a saucepan, heat the golden syrup and chilled unsalted butter until simmering. Simmer. Who's got the keys to my bimmer? Okay. Wow, this is the stencil for the thing. That's the stencil for the house. Jesus Christ, this isn't gonna work, is it? Oh wait, I just need to do butter now, don't I? Butter and golden syrup. 100 grams golden syrup, 70 grams butter. Right. Shall I zoom you in? Can you even see what I'm doing? Whee! We need to come. I've done 120, but that's alright, okay? Is that alright? I'm gonna say it's alright. Right, 70 grams of butter. I love these scales, they're Weight Watchers ones, they're so good. You can just press 0 and then you don't have to like work everything out. Remove from the heat and empty the gingerbread sachet into the pan using a wooden spoon. Don't use a metal one. A wooden spoon. Mix and bring the mixture together. Number 3, set aside for 5 minutes. Once cool enough to touch, empty the mixture onto a clean work surface and knead the bread until smooth. Use flour to dust out the roll. Oh my god. This is going to be a lot harder than I actually thought. Okay. Oh, I wish it could be Christmas every day. Probably get copyrighted for that because I was so sick of singing. Let's put you here so you can kind of see what's going on a little bit more. Right, come on. Come on. So I'm going to mix in. It says remove from the heat. Oh my god, this is getting thick. Oh my god, this is like really, is that right? Look at that. That's not right, I don't think. I don't know how I would, what's wrong darling? I don't know how. Look how much that sticks together. Like it's left the whole thing clean. Right, leave aside for 5 minutes to cool down. So, set aside for 5 minutes so it's cooled down, and now I need a rolling pin. I got my flour. Looks like a little poo emoji. Right, let's dust this out. Henry keeps barking and he's like not leaving my side now. Normally he only barks if someone is on the drive, but there's no one there, but he keeps barking and I'm like, is there someone in my house? Is he trying to tell me? And are they hiding somewhere? And I don't know. I mean, if it is, then it's gonna be caught on camera, so try and kill me now. It's gonna be quite a small house. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. Still looking for a rolling pin. Oh, how did I miss that? Oh, it said kneaded. Oh, kneading, you have to like get your hands in, don't you? Is this kneading? Do you know what this looks like? It looks like a toffee. Like, do you know what I mean? It looks like just a massive bit of toffee. Okay, back to rolling. I feel like it needs to be thick because I don't want a thin gingerbread house. Okay, right, let's go again. There. Cut. I'm presuming. Oh no. No. As I was peeling the thing off, it all just got stuck to it. Ah, let's try again. Right, that's one. They look different shapes though, so that's great. Where's the little door? I might as well do the door as well, and then we're gonna have to like. Right, so I've just popped the gingerbread in the oven because my battery is gonna die. I'm gonna go and grab my new one, and by the time I've done that, hopefully it'll be ready to decorate. Woo! Okay, so update. They have misshapen, like almost completely, and they've joined up a little snowman and a person, but they're not perfect because I literally just like cut them myself with a knife. How cute. And then I just literally made a bit of gingerbread, like that looks a bit burned, doesn't it? No. Hopefully the non-burnt bits are good. I'm gonna put this in the bin. Hope that that isn't too much. Although I do have ice and sugar if not. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit of pink colouring in just because why not? I now have to fill it into this tube that was kindly provided by Sainsbury's themselves. Squirt and try and put it together. Right. Oh my god. Let's just take you down here so you can actually see what I'm doing. I need to like hold it. This is going to be so awkward. Right. This is like a recipe for disaster. It's a completely wrong angle. It's a completely wrong angle for it. Right, I don't know how to do this. I'm going to just glue it like that. Make sure it's all glued. What I don't get is that icing is so dribbly that it's not going to stick. It's just dribbling. This isn't going to work. This is too thin. It's just dribbling everywhere. No. Right, I'm going to have to use my RCMA powder. It's just, the icing is trickling everywhere. I don't think it was meant to be that thin. That tastes really weird. I don't like that. I'm going to have to make my own. Why does that taste so weird? I'm so glad I tasted that because it tasted disgusting. Right, I'm gonna try and figure out how the hell to put this thing together, and I'll be back when I get to decorate it because I feel like that's the fun bit. So bear with me. I do not know what I am doing. This is so hard. I'm literally I've made like the thickest paste and I'm literally putting it on with my hands now. This is not gonna work. There's a lot of gaps where there's no gingerbread. I don't know why the shapes are like so mismatched. I don't know if to just leave it as that. Right, let's just leave that to set and hopefully we can save it with some decorations. Oh god. I'm not gonna lie, I thought that this was gonna be easy. However, I seem to have got the icing dry. So what I'm gonna do now is try and stand it up. If this falls apart, then I'll give up. Oh my god, it actually can't work. Oh my god, this is the wrong way to be doing this. Oh my god, why is it so lopsided? Look! Oh my god! Yay! I mean, it's shit, but that's okay. Now, I'm going to make some more ice and sugar. The ratios for ice and sugar is so hard to find. Like, for how much water do you put in ice and sugar? Or for how much ice and sugar do you put in water? I don't understand. So this white is obviously just snow. So if you just envision that when looking at it, just know that it's actually snow and it's meant to look like that because snow doesn't fall perfectly when it falls from the sky. So you can see, I'm thinking drip it. Like if I run it along here, you know, like drip cakes, and then I can put on these. Oh look, it's starting to look cute, although they're dripping off. I've also got these silver. Oh, these ones look like the ones that are going to break your tea. Do you know what I mean? Cute. Does that look cute? It's going to look like snow. Okay, so what we need to focus on now is how to make this look better. This is basically a snow avalanche gingerbread house. Santa's grotto. Cute, and then we need like a door handle. So, door handle. I don't think this looks bad considering. Oh my god. No, that was meant to be a... That was meant to be a window. Do you know what this should have come with? The tubes of icing. You know the ones that when you was a kid you'd get like the like red, blue, yellow actual tubes that you could like draw shapes with? That's what this should have come with. Okay. Yeah? I feel like that's it, you know. Oh my god, I'm so zoomed in. Oh. I feel like that is it. That is my gingerbread house. Like, I don't know what went on there, but if you look at the front, that looks quite cute, doesn't it? Look. Aww. Say aww. Yeah. Lovely. Now let's eat it. Okay guys, that's gonna have to be the end of the video because I feel like the wall is slipping. It's all starting to fall apart, so I'm gonna end the video here while it's still together. Let's just put you down so you can see it. Yeah, it's starting to collapse, so if we ignore that, cute little gingerbread house. Would I recommend this kit to your family and friends? No, because the pieces don't stick together properly because they all misshapen when they go in the oven. Look, that's what it was meant to be like. I mean, it's a cute kit, but it looks like shit. That's probably just my fault. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video remotely interesting, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram. I will put it on the screen here, and I'll also link it below. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on there, like a Christmas giveaway, so make sure you're following me for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much.